Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Ozaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, northern Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, northern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southern Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:45 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Jackson to Merton, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, Wauwatosa, Brookfield, Menominee Falls, Mequon, Whitefish Bay, Pewaukee, Brown Deer, Grafton, Cedarburg, Sussex, Heartland, Delafield, Jackson, Fox Point, Elm Grove, Slinger, Bayside, Fiensville, and Okauchee Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the NOAA weather.